Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I am Mr. Twister WX and I am expecting a major snowstorm to move into the southern and southeastern United States. So tonight, Monday, January 20th, overnight into Tuesday, the 21st, we will see many inches of snow fall across portions of Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, and even Florida. So if I switch the area to southeast, you can see in the Houston metro area we can expect 4 to 5 inches of snow. Northern Florida, the GFS is picking up on potentially, for this storm, looks like 4 to 8 inches of snow. Southern Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia looking at 5 to 8 in southern Georgia, 4 to 5 in southern Alabama, and between 3 and 7 in southern Mississippi. It really depends where you're at. So this is going to be a major winter storm. There are currently winter storm warnings in effect. I'm going to switch over to the Storm Prediction Center hazards map, and I will be back with you all in just a second. Alright, so if we take a look at the current National Weather Service hazards map, you can see all across the south, going from the Texas-Mexico border all the way to portions of South Carolina. We have winter storm warnings in pink, and in purple there are winter weather advisories. So these winter storm warnings, first we can take a look at the Houston area. They are anticipating heavy mixed precipitation possible, total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches along and south of the I-10 corridor, 1 to 3 inches for areas north of the I-10 corridor and southwest metro of Houston. Ice could be up to 1/10 of an inch possible, so that can cause tree limbs to be downed, very slick roads, power outages are possible. So if we go back, we could take a look at the New Orleans area, 3 and 7 inches and ice accumulations around a light glaze, so a little bit less ice than Houston. If we check southern Mississippi, so this is going to be a historic winter storm, just set it up there on the top of the website. They are looking at, again, 3 to 7 inches. Let's look at the Florida Panhandle and southern Alabama. Southern Alabama, Florida Panhandle, looking at heavy mixed precipitation expected, total snow accumulations up to 1 inch, and ice accumulations up to 2/10 of an inch. So they're mainly looking out for ice. That's where we'll see that purple mixed precipitation. We're going to look at the GFS for snowfall in just a second, so I will switch that and be back with you all. Alright, so looking at the GFS, you can see currently some rain off the coast in the Gulf. But overnight, this will turn to heavy mix and snow near Houston, Texas, and covering the whole state of Louisiana, and that will move further east, that's where in northern Florida we will see those heavy ice accumulations up to 2/10 of an inch, where we see that purple colliding with the blue and the green. That's where we're going to see the most mix, and then this storm will move off the coast. So we are watching this entire area for snow, where in some areas in Louisiana and Mississippi we're expecting up to 8 inches of snow. Once again, the Houston area expecting around 4 to 5 inches. New Orleans, I believe 3 to 7. Southern Mississippi, again 3 to 7. And southern Alabama could see, I believe it was 3 to 5, along with the Florida Panhandle at around an inch. Southern Georgia also under winter storm warning. Some of these areas, if this storm were hitting the northeast, these might not be winter storm warned, but each National Weather Service office has different requirements for what is a winter storm warning. So it's a pretty major event for these areas. So I'm going to continue to keep an eye on it, and I will keep you all updated. So stay tuned. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. If you found this helpful, please help me out by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. And yeah, see ya.